Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, coming back to you with another video. This one's about Experian. I'm going to give you an update on what's happening. So stay with me to the end, and you're going to find out what happened just a few days ago with Experian. Hey, before I jump into the video, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, make a comment if you like, and most of all, share this with your friends and family. Don't keep it to yourself if you think it's something they can use. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hey, welcome. Hey, look, hopefully you guys have followed me. If not, you can check out the videos, and I'll put them down below in the description. How to get your free, once you get your free Experian account, that you can also get all three scores and reports for free. Also, if you, and I did a video, if you have a paid account, how to move it back to free. But let's talk about the one that you can get all three scores and reports. So I did another video after that, and it was called Experian Tri-Merge Not Reporting Collections. Well, guess what happened last Thursday, Friday, when I was going to make this video and got too busy. But yeah, all of a sudden I pull up Experian and I'm doing a few files, and sure enough, Experian start reporting collections again for Equifax and for Transunion. So in that Tri-Merge video that I did, I reported that they weren't showing up, and it had been for some time. But yeah, now they're back, and you can get all your information right on Experian. But you gotta watch the video on how to get all three scores for free. Um, and don't pay for Experian Tri-Merge. You can get them for free if you watch that video. So yeah, it's great news. That way you have to go back to Credit Karma to get your collections, or go to annual credit report. Although I know they still have free reports until April of 2021 because of the pandemic. But you no longer have to do that. You can go right to Experian and get your collections for Equifax and for TransUnion. So I just wanted to give you that bit of good news, from chasing, bouncing around from Credit Karma to, you know, annual or whoever, and you can do it all for free. So look, I just wanted to drop you that. This is Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit, making sense of making money online. I'm going to be bringing you tons of content in 2021. So please subscribe, stay with me, and thanks for watching. Also, look, still in the middle of this, or hopefully at the end of the pandemic. But be safe, wear a mask, stay 6 feet away, and keep you and your family safe. And Happy New Year, all. All right. Till next time. Peace.